we're gonna talk about the car, what we just did, a little bit of everything, starting with the fact that we built a roll cage. So obviously before we did this, did the install, even started on the video, I had to strip the car down and get it ready to go for Vadim at Burning Tire Garage to do the install.
So first impression, yeah, like Mike said, it's super tight, and the other cages that I've done, I had to bend myself, and I would like be nice to myself as a fabricator and leave a little bit room here and there. This one is super tight. If you want to show, like over here, like it's touching the car on the A-pillar, and that's great for the driver, not so great for the fabricator. But we have our tricks, and I've been in talks with CageKits, and they're super nice and helpful. Ben, thank you so much for holding my hand through like which parts to move, which parts to go. It's like a big puzzle that you have to put in the right order, otherwise it becomes impossible. Right now it's still hard, but it's possible. But if you do it in the wrong order, it just becomes impossible because you'll never get your welder in the correct spot with a quality weld.
Sick. And they're equal on both sides, on the plates.
Awesome.
Yes, team. We did this.
All that hard work, the three of us.
Mike, come pick up your Corvette.
We're on day 2.5 of the Fun Back Tour C6 build. We've got Vadim here with Burning Tire Garage, welding the kit in. With that said, Vadim's awesome, getting things going. We've got stuff going on over here on the ground that's ready to go into here. Leave all of your criticisms in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, and talk as much as you possibly can. So, sitting in the shop, just kind of talking with Vadim, and realized I should probably give you guys a little breakdown of what the plan is with the Fun Back Tour. I did the FD thing, I did the Pro-Am thing, I went all in. Had some great partners, but ultimately, with all the everything, it was a little much. But I really want to still compete at some level. So the point of this build is to keep it simple. I don't want to spend every day in the garage. I want to go to the track, then I want to go home, I want to hang out with my wife and kids, and pretend that I have two separate lives. One is drifting, and one is family, and I don't want one to affect the other. Find out. You're good. I gotta trim some more of that. Just slam it. It didn't close all the way? Just, there we go.
Well, now you know for your
Fun
bed.
fact, if you unplug things, even if there's attached to the HVAC system, they might be important. I was frustrated with the situation, not with you.
Oh yeah,
I want you to know 100%.
I freak out as well. I walk around pissed off. It's not about you. It's about me.
Therapy sessions with cars.
Scared me.
That got me too.
See, you don't have to get out from the back door anymore.
I'm out.
Is the seat made for you? I forgot to see how you're sitting.
So after Vadim got everything done, Burning Tire Garage did their thing. It was time to do some work. So got it back here, started masking, masked off all the interior because I just wanted to paint the cage. It was a complicated process. A little bit of overspray here and there, but overall, not a ton of stuff. The paint was fun. I ruined a pair of shorts. It is definitely covered in white paint. Next step was getting the seats going. We're gonna go with a fixed seat. Pretty close to having that done. Pretty close to dialed. It feels good for now. Getting the other seat in for the passengers. Gonna have to make some adjustments probably to that as well. Maybe bring it back a hair, but everything is in. Everything is secure. I've got 6-point harnesses on my side, 6-point harnesses on the passenger side. Everything is FIA. Everything is safety first. So I know that if you're riding with me, that you're as safe as possible. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, and talk as much as you possibly can. So it's gonna get on the cutting room floor and we're gonna just chop, 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 chop. Cause Ethan is a ninja with the digits and it's gonna be, hey, cut, 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 chop, cut, put it together, do the things.